Hello, traders. Today is Friday, June 27th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So if you saw last night's PM recap video for gold, I had my Fibonacci retracement here. I was talking about how it potentially could just keep on going up, and this is like a big A, B, C crescent. But I was saying that if I have my Fibonacci retracement here, and I see a nice engulfing move to the downside at a Fibonacci level, then it definitely would be a sorting opportunity. And it definitely was a very nice sorting opportunity throughout the ascent session. Now, if we take it all the way up to the daily time frame, we can see that we are about to give it a break of structure. If this really is a wave Y, like I've been talking about for several weeks now, then at some point I would expect to see like a bigger pullback and then another impulsive move down because a wave Y is supposed to be three waves down, like an A, B, C of Y. So one of these breaks of structure probably are going to cause a much bigger pullback. But as of right now, I definitely would for sure still be looking for sorts. As of right now, in my opinion, the strategy would to be either already be short, looking for an exit, or the strategy would be to be waiting patiently for more three-way pullbacks, more Fibonacci bounces, more engulfing moves to the downside at Fibonacci levels for more sorting opportunities, at least until the higher time frame, like the daily time frame, tells us that we're making some sort of a move back to the upside. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.